As a U.S. Marine combat veteran, put your hands together for him. Yeah, buddy. Let him hear you chant, Bonner. Sponsored by Real Living, Weebold, and Pioneer Fence. Says he likes the party. Let's see what he's got. Holy cow, look at this guy go. Goes the tire, doesn't slow down at all. This might be a new best time. Sponsored by a better deal, Creekside and Speech Cold. Keep calm and chime on. This guy is getting it there. Cruising parts all over. Yard selling that thing. Rhythm. Into the dragon back with a full head of steam. Oh, blows the beat off the tire. Gets a 5-second. Snap the front axle to go with it. Oh, 10 seconds and penalties so far. Busting the whole front end out of it, but still going. Come on, Randy Patterson. Randy Patterson gets a time of 42.98 after his 10 seconds and penalties. Oh, yeah, buddy! The equipment rental service. And here we go, Melissa Sandler! Girl power, Randy, out of Vancouver, sponsored by Northwest Monster Trucks, Wolfpack Motorsports, the Sleeper Society, and Bulls This. Oh, yeah! Crazy. Next up, Jenkins Davis out of Rush Prairie, sponsored by J&J Plumbing. Tuff Trucks, here we go, Ethan Cole. Yeah, buddy! Oh, the front end is broken. You can see that spring already come shooting out of it. For sale, one owner, never been off-roaded before. That is not a good feeling. Hopefully it's not a Takati or that. Echo at a Woodland. Oh, it's stuck in the front bumper and the back of the jump. Letting it all hang out. Headlights get on and off. Next up, Billy Wilson, getting crazy right off the bat, sponsored by Tuff. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, almost goes over. Says he came out here to break these Jeeps. Toyota fans, make some noise for him. Here we go. Oh, man, that sounded pretty. And he's taking the cone with him. Oh, his airbag went off on him. So now he's got to try to drive around that. Oh, and he cases it. There he goes! has nuts. Good marching. Here we go. What a
I love you. Hey, next year I'll be back.